Hello, hope all is well. Today I'm going to be going over beard questions. I've been getting a lot of emails and inquiries about growing a beard, taking care of a beard, and so I figured what the heck, I might as well make a video about it. Now, to some this is going to be your very first time growing a beard, so the number one to take into consideration, the number one thing, patience. Now, with that being said, for those of you that are just now starting to grow a beard, it's going to be several weeks before you see anything substantial. So hopefully perseverance will prevail. And I'll now get into things aside from the number one priority factor that will help you with growing a great beard. Now that we hopefully understand that patience is a priority, what else can we do? Nutrition. It's very important that you have and maintain a healthy diet, because when your body is happy, your hair growth is happy. And so what I mean by nutrition, I mean you need to be having a well-balanced meal. Just like your body, your hair thrives when you place emphasis on this. Now, this is a healthy balance of carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, and mineral. All these contribute to a healthy body, mind, and beard. Okay, now that we know that nutrition plays a very important role in beard growth, what do we eat? And what are these vitamins and minerals that help promote beard growth? All right, so here they are. As far as vitamins and minerals that help with the promotion of hair growth and beard growth, you have biotin, you have zinc, you have vitamin D, you have vitamin A. Okay, so now that we have these noted, what are some sources for these vitamins and minerals? Now, when we talk about biotin, foods such as eggs, B vitamins, peanuts, almonds, wheat bran, salmon, low-fat cheese, and avocado are all excellent sources. Now, taking into consideration vitamin D, fish, fortified foods, beef liver, cheese, and egg yolks are all excellent sources. Now, going into vitamin A, liver, fish oils, leafy greens, orange and yellow vegetables, tomatoes, fruits, and some vegetable oils all are excellent sources when it comes to vitamin A. Now, in regards to zinc, you have oysters, red meat, poultry, and some beans, as well as dairy products, all contain a significant amount of zinc. So hopefully this helps you in regards to the nutrition aspect of growing a great beard. This next one, not a lot of people think about this, and it actually benefits you not only with beard growth, but also stress levels, muscular growth, testosterone production, etc. Sleep. Sleep is very important, and there are actual studies that show that a lack of sleep can actually slow down beard growth. Now, everyone's different in regards to the amount of sleep that they need to function properly and what your body needs to function properly, but generally speaking, it's around 7 or 8 hours of sleep. So make sure you're getting some good quality sleep. The next one, it goes back to patience, and that's grooming your beard. Now, when you're just starting to grow your beard, you need to just leave it alone, because this is when potential mistakes happen. You go in, you try to clean something up, and you end up just shaving off your beard out of frustration. So I guess this goes along with the patience aspect of it. Just leave it alone. Wait until you have maybe an inch or two until you start shaking it. Okay, this next one, many people have asked me about this, but I personally have never experienced it, and it's the itch factor. Now, this generally happens to some within the first couple of weeks, but once you hold out and just push through that, it goes away. Some say that it's in regards to your face getting used to having the hair on it. Others, including myself, think that it does deal in part with hygiene or moisturizing your skin, dry skin. So on one end of it, patience will hopefully persevere in regards to that aspect of it, or you can do what I did, and I've always shampooed and conditioned my beard. This was even when I had scruff. Now, it's not a matter of just throwing water on your face and you're good to go. You actually really have to take care of your beard, just like the hair on top of your head. You don't just throw water in your hair and then just go on the rest of the day. That's when things such as dandruff, dry scalp, and a bunch of other things tend to happen. So take proper care of your beard just like you do the hair on your head. Now, that being said, you need to get, you don't have to get specific shampoos and conditioners for your beard, but they do help. Chemically, they're comprised differently in regards to your beard, because your beard is a lot more wiry than the hair on your head. That being said, I've gone through a bunch, and I personally use the Beard Struggle. They have a shampoo and conditioner. So if you're looking for a beard shampoo and conditioner, I definitely try these guys out. They have an Instagram, their handle's @thebeardstruggle, and they also have a website, and that's thebeardstruggle.com. So try these out. You don't have to try these out, just go ahead and look around. But I use these and I definitely recommend them. Now, in regards to the itchiness and dryness, everyone's different. Some people have dry skin, some people have oily skin. For those of you that are dealing with the itchiness, try some beard oil after you get out of the shower, because it may be due to dry skin. Put a couple drops of the beard oil into your beard, rub it down with your fingertips, and not only will that help with your dry skin, but that'll also help stimulate your hair follicles and help to contribute to your beard growth. Now, going into the topic of dryness and your beard and conditioning it, not only the shampoo and conditioning, not only does that help, but actual beard oils will help with the conditioning of your beard and making it not feel so wiry. And again, same thing as before, there's many products out there. A couple, I have one daytime elixir and I have one nighttime. So before I go to bed, I'll put a few drops of this in my hand, rub it through my beard, go to bed, wake up, and my beard actually feels soft. It feels nice and conditioned. And the same thing with after I take a shower and shampoo and condition my hair, I'll put the daytime elixir in my beard. And now when I want to shape my beard, now this is the other thing. Grooming is very important when it comes to actually having the substantial sized beard. You don't want to look like a hobo essentially when you are going through the beard growth stage while you're trying to figure out what the look is that you're looking for. Well, maybe you are going for that look, but for those of you that are wanting more of the tame, calm down, and at times professional, depending on your workplace, I use a beard balm. And this beard balm is from the Beard Struggle as well. Common theme, right? This is the Scorch Beard Balm. In regards to the scent, it's not harsh, it's not drastic, it's just nice and subtle. So that's why I choose to use this. But again, there are many beard oils and balms out there. Just make sure that you're utilizing them and keeping your beard under control, because the earlier you start to tame and manage your beard, the easier it's going to be later on down the road. Okay, I've mentioned quite a few things in regards to helping promote a healthy beard, but when it comes down to it, the thing that I find most important and most crucial is establishing a healthy routine. Now, that's going back to the things that I said earlier, in addition to drinking a healthy amount of water, making sure you sleep well, trying to lower your stress levels, don't smoke, and exercise. Well, that's everything that I can think of off the top of my head in regards to starting a beard and helping promote healthy beard growth. I hope you found this useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. In addition to that, if you have any additional suggestions, comments, or questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Yeah. Cheers.